In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a reverse effect in CapCut in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful editing trick that can make your clips look more creative, more dynamic, and a lot more engaging. Whether you want to reverse a movement, create a rewind style transition, or just add a cool effect to your edit, this method is easy to follow even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your CapCut project and make sure the video you want to reverse is already placed on the timeline. This is the clip that you're going to apply the effect to, so go ahead and tap or click on it to select it. Once the clip is selected, take a look at the toolbar just above the timeline. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of the main editing tools, and the one we need is easy to spot once you know what to look for. Hover over the icon that looks like two rectangles side by side with arrows circling around them. That icon represents the reverse option, and it's the tool you'll use to flip your clip backward. When you move your cursor over it, CapCut should highlight it so you know you're on the right button. After that, click the drop-down menu and choose Reverse. CapCut will now start processing the clip and creating the reversed version of your video. Depending on the length of your clip, this may take a few moments, so just give it a second to finish. Once it's done, your video will play in reverse order, giving you that rewind style effect instantly. You can preview it right away to make sure it looks the way you want. If it's a fast action clip, the reverse effect can be especially fun because it can make simple movements look more dramatic or more polished. And if you want, you can combine this with music, sound effects, or transitions to make the final result even better. The best part is that CapCut makes this process really straightforward, so you don't need any advanced editing experience to do it. Just select the clip, find the reverse icon, and click reverse. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to create a reverse effect in CapCut quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.